ka Meghalaya Motorsport Society harangkat kajing trailang bat ka Go Speed Racing na Pune kin penlong ya kajing kop nya kali kabalatip kum ka MRF Mo Creep Supercross Fmsci National Championship kaban salong Madan Kurkalang haga kadway terik uyayong arhajar arpunrio kani kandai kesin kabanengkong ba kani ka kunhun kabalasdang na kanong ba shilong pat hadin ansa penlong sa ki wei pat ki benta jong ki jilla kari India shushu la yuturu ba hagani ki jingakap kindon kamba sispa sau puwei ngut kinong nya tuk tuk na keleng saudong jong kari India ki ban wan bani simbenta bat kumjuru na gini sispa sau puwei ngut sau pongut kindai kinong nya tuk tuk na kajila Meghalaya Nagalyang ka President jong ka Meghalaya Motorsport Society ka kong Phobi Delhi Nongrum kalapan pao ba kajing penlong ya kani kajing yakop kalong shibenta ban plilat ya kinong nya tuk tuk kibadai na kajila Meghalaya ba kinyo ban peni ya kasap kapong ka bakidon but bakin yoru ya kalan bakin yakop bat kito kuwei bat kinong nya tuk tuk kibadai na kuwei bat kijela.
I'm very happy and proud to announce you that this is one of the maximum entries we've received since we've started conducting events or Supercross events way back about 22 years ago. So we have received about 141 entries in the different categories. We've got 8 different categories, right from the junior class, which is up to 9 to 11 years, then 12 to 14 years, and 16 to 17 years, and then we have the experts, Indian experts class, the private experts class, which, of course, after a long time, we are having qualifying rounds. So the grid, the start line is about for 24 entries maximum. So if we get more than 24 entries, we have qualifying. In fact, we have, in a couple of classes, we have over 35 entries. So we will have to have qualifying rounds tomorrow, which is the practice sessions and the qualifying rounds, and then day after tomorrow, we'll have the race. So we are very happy to come here, and hopefully the rain gods are a little merciful on us. We could have a fantastic event. This is also one of our USP events for the night event, because we are also having the FMX riders. That's the FMX is freestyle motocross riders from abroad. One is an Austrian and one is a Russian, who are coming and performing. Who will perform daredevil stunts during the intervals of the race. Besides this thoroughbred racing, we have also some entertainment in live bands and of course pyrotechnics and all. So all in all, we are very happy to come and participate in Shillong, and looking forward for a great event.
So also with us we have our national champion of 2020. He's leading the younger generation from Northeast and Meghalaya as a whole, and we are looking forward to, since he's part of the MRF Supercross, we're looking forward to building the Supercross over here in the next few years to come, and we're looking forward for Monday to train the young riders from our state. And we are also thankful for MRF for giving us this chance to host a Supercross in the Northeast, which we are hoping and looking forward to, having MRF in the Northeast area sometime again in the future.
Alongside the off with band performances from 3 to 5, and the official flag of the race will be at 5:30 sharp. So it is a night show, as I had mentioned.
The venue?
The venue is at Madan Kurkalang.
Can you also tell us on the potential of the...
You come and explore this the situation of the riders here and all that, and I went to the practice tracks since I've been here for over a week and doing preparations for the event. I've gone to the practice tracks and all that, and I had seen a lot of potential. And thanks to Bantai that he's putting in a lot of effort to get a lot of riders from the Northeast. and he's training them. He's got a track, so I was very, very impressed. They were also riding with proper gear. The motorcycles were also up to the standard. So we have, during a national championship time, we have very strict standards for the way the motorcycle is prepared and the safety gear. So especially the federation sends the technical delegates and the scrutineer to check and scrutinize every aspect of the motorcycle as well as the protective gear.
Can you share a little bit about the standard of the track, the circuit, and the obstacle that they have?
I'm sorry, I didn't.
The track, the circuit, and the obstacle that they have, these players have to go through.
Okay, so the track, especially in Shillong, is consisting of 10 jumps, one tabletop, and a cut tabletop. Because of the rains, we couldn't, unfortunately, we couldn't do a section of the whoop-de-doos. That means a section of the rumblers, which is very good to see. And the track is about 750 meters long. We have different laps for the different sections. The junior levels will have probably 4 laps, where the seniors and professional riders will have about 8 laps. So I hope, as I said, I hope the track holds, because there will be a lot of slush. It will be slippery. It adds all adds to the fun.
What about the bikes? So what is happening here in Meghalaya?
Sorry? On the road, of course, on the road, it is obvious that if you are using the road, you will have to go by the rules. But since it's an enclosed area, when we do the event, it's a ground, or we've created a stadium like venue. There it's allowed, and the federation promotes it. The federation gives licenses. It's called competition license, which are, without a competition license given by the federation, nobody can ride. So every person, every rider who is riding and taking part in this competition has a competition license, which is given by the federation.
So that's why also we provide these kind of tracks. We bring, we have Supercross for dirt riding, and like we have other disciplines in motorsports, because we do not want these riders or drivers to go on the road, right? To go at a high speed. So that's why we provide this closed area with license that is provided to them to take part in these motorsports.
The other reason for us coming to the Northeast is we want riders from the Northeast to come and participate in the national championship. We want representation from here, from this part of the country, and I believe that we have fantastic riders over here. I saw when I saw the practice sessions and all that. So we'll have good racing between the Northeast riders and the existing riders.
You have been in many states of the country. How do you see the government support in other states compared with us here? Like, do you see that we need a proper practice place for this kind of players to practice? Because as of now we don't have anything. People, they go out to the road, to practice.
Yes.
To show the skill.
See, for example, we take a place like Bangalore or Coimbatore. They have their own tracks. The government is supporting them so that they don't want people to race on the track. If you give them a facility like this, it will definitely help the youth. They will not be involved with the mobiles and other extracurricular activities. They will get involved, and once you get involved in motorsports and all that, it's addictive, very addictive. I have been into motorsports for the past 40 years now. Been a rider as well, and now an organizer.
So what is your message to our government?
To have more, promote the sport, to have more tracks, and keep the riders away or boys away from racing on the roads.
As you mentioned, there are around 140 entry, right? Participants who participated in the. So, like,
How many are the Northeast riders? Is that the question?
Like the polling I just mentioned earlier, that there are around 140, right? Who is going to participate,
Yes.
and all from Northeast.
And
all of them are from Northeast.
No. This is a national championship. So we have riders coming from Baroda, Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, everywhere.
Right.